In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude with Excel. We'll walk through a quick practical workflow so you can get clear, accurate formulas from Claude and apply them directly in your spreadsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to frame your request and transfer the result back into Excel with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to Claude's new chat page. This brings you to a clean interface where you can have a focused conversation. Think of it as your workspace for asking questions about your data and getting formula suggestions or explanations in plain English. On the left side of the screen, click the plus sign. This opens a fresh conversation which helps keep your request and Claude's response organized. A new chat also makes it easier to revisit your prompt later without mixing it with other topics. Next, switch over to Excel and copy the details you want Claude to understand. This could be column headers like product, quantity, and price, a few example rows, or even a short description of how your sheet is laid out. Keep it concise and relevant. If your sheet contains private or sensitive information, replace it with harmless sample values before you copy. The goal is to give Claude enough context so it can tailor a formula to your structure without exposing anything confidential. Back in Claude, type your prompt exactly as follows. Create an Excel formula to calculate total sales with a 10% discount. For best results, add the column letters or cell references you're using. For example, mention whether quantity is in column B and unit price is in column C, or whether you already have a subtotal in a specific cell. You can also ask Claude to explain the formula it gives you so you understand how the 10% discount is applied. As a quick reference, a per row formula often looks like ER of price quantity bar 0.9, and a total discount on a sum often looks like sum range, which is 0.9. The 0.9 multiplier is simply 1 minus 10%. Now click Submit or press Enter. Claude will reply with a formula and usually a brief explanation. Review the cell references it suggests, adjust them to match your sheet, and then copy the formula. Paste it into Excel, confirm it returns the expected result, and if needed, drag to fill or convert relative references to absolute ones so the formula behaves correctly as you copy it. That's it. You've just used Claude to generate a clear, accurate Excel formula for total sales with a 10% discount, saving time and reducing errors.